Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP with MetaMask. First, understand that MetaMask doesn't directly support XRP. You'll need to use a wrapped version, like WXRP, which operates on compatible networks. This process involves using a bridge or a decentralized exchange to convert an existing cryptocurrency into wrapped XRP, then adding it to your MetaMask wallet. Before you begin, ensure your MetaMask wallet is fully set up and secured. You'll need to fund it with a cryptocurrency compatible with the network you plan to use, such as Ethereum or BNB. Next, research and choose a reliable bridge or decentralized exchange that supports wrapped XRP. Always check for transparency regarding transaction fees and network compatibility. Now, connect your MetaMask wallet to your selected bridge or exchange. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to swap, for example, Ether, and specify the amount you want to convert into wrapped XRP. Carefully review all transaction details, including the gas fees, before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction within your MetaMask wallet to initiate the swap. After the transaction is complete, you'll need to add the custom token for wrapped XRP to your MetaMask wallet to see it. Use the correct contract address for the wrapped XRP on your chosen network. Once added, verify the balance in your wallet. Remember, wrapped XRP functions within the smart contract ecosystem, offering new possibilities for its use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.